Junior want to not be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Hiya, lovely people, welcome you all back to this channel. So on this channel, it's all about me moving from my old house or accommodation to a new one. So stick with me and enjoy this vlog, but don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and also share as well. At the entrance, this is how the place looks like. Very big. So this is the guest toilet. Very spacious, and so that's the entrance, as I made mention. So let's go into the kitchen. So we've got the boiler here and a whole of cabinets or storage spaces. That's the cooker hood, storage there, and storage here. There's a space for fridge. You get it, yeah, fridge. And that is the sink, hot and cold. There's another storage here as well. Dishwasher, tumble dryer, and washing machine. That's the oven slash grill, and that's some fire out there. Storage, no storage. So it was around 1700, that is exactly 5 p.m. that everyone was done with work. So I gathered some friends and they went to my old accommodation or house to help me pack my stuff. And I really wanted to sleep in the new house that same day, so I did really well, and they really also helped me to pack everything totally, to leave that place and get to the new house to set things up. Although I didn't finish everything, but I was able to sleep in the house as I made my mind from the onset. So it was a really good experience from moving houses or moving homes. So stay tuned. We just got there and everything was like, yo, in place for us to pack them. So just enjoy this.
But if you did it,
You did it, yeah, they went for it. So basically it's really late, but I still want to sleep in this house today. So that's the area. Kids are still playing, and that's the place. So I've got friends here who are helping me to pack everything in. So I've got a lot of friends here helping out, taking stuff in there. Yo, we still got a lot of stuff in here to pack today. And I'm doing this so that I can return the vehicle back to camp, because it's a military removal vehicle, so I had to do that. Still getting there. Yeah, nearly there. We still got a few stuff. That's a washing machine, the freezer, and the fridge. And I don't even see a button for. The house is a 3-bedroom house, so this is the stairs to the bedrooms, which at the moment I can't really show you the bedrooms because I want to keep it private. So this is one of the rooms. This is the third room, which I can show you. Not done yet, so that's the third room. This one is also for storage. That's a laundry room, which I think I've got a lot of stuff there and I don't want to show it. This is the second bathroom, which is not bad. Looks good. Take a look outside. It's raining. The environment is very, very nice. Very calm, serene environment, which you can raise a kid here and be happy. That's the master bedroom, which has an ensuite, but we don't want to go in there today. So I've got a garage here, and my vehicle is parked here. So these are some pictures of the main house. So that's the front, and that's the back elevation as well, which has a big garden, very beautiful garden. And then this is the kitchen, very spacious, and has got so many storages. And this is the second toilet, and this is the ensuite toilet and bath. There's the main living room, hallway. To my left is the kitchen, and to my right is the stairs to upstairs. This is the main bedroom and the other bedrooms. Today is another brand new day, and I am returning the van that I used to pack my stuff from my old accommodation or house to the new one. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment under my post. See you guys in the next. Bye.